Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to launch Xbox Game Pass game from Xbox app or Microsoft Store because of this error code that is 0x800704c7. So if you're receiving this error whenever you launch the game, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to launch the game from the game installation folder. So instead of launching the game from here, this is just an example I'm showing you with this game. So whichever game you are receiving the error, you can select that game and then you can click on the three dots and then you can click on manage, or you can make a right click on that game and then click on manage and then go to files and then click on browse option. This will take you to the installation folder. Whichever game is giving you the error, open that game folder, open the content folder and then find for the game launch helper. So you will see game launch helper or the game exe file of that particular game. You have to make a right click on that game exe file or game launch helper and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes to allow and try to launch the game from the game installation folder and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run gaming services repair tool. Now for this you can go to Xbox app. At the top left here you can see your profile icon, click on it. Now go to support option and then click on run gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow and let the repair complete. Once the repair, this will take some time, and once this is done, now you can close this, launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. You can run this gaming services repair tool from the website. So in Google search you can type in gaming services repair tool, go to the Xbox support website, go to the official website that says gaming services repair tool. On this page you will see downloadable version, click on it, scroll down, click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and then let the process complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done you will see completed successfully like this. Once this is done, now you have to relaunch Xbox app. So you have to quit Xbox app and then launch Xbox app once again and then you can launch the game. Still you're receiving the error. The next step is to log in with same account on Xbox app and with same account on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. At the top right you will see your profile icon. So in my case I'm logged out. So at the top right, click on your profile icon and then you will see the sign out option. Hit sign out and then click on sign in and select the account which has the game or which has the game pass. You have to select the right account which has the game, and then once you're logged in, now go to Xbox app and then top left click on your profile icon, click on sign out and then click on sign in, and you have to select the same account which you have selected in Microsoft Store. Log in with same account. And once you're logged in, now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time and make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on. And then click on sync now. Sync now is important. So click on sync now. If you receive any error in red color, just click on sync now multiple times, and once it is done, go to time and language, go to language and region and make sure your country is selected over here, and then relaunch Xbox app. At the end of each step, try to relaunch Xbox app and then launch the game. Next step is to verify or repair the game. Now you have to select the game which is giving you the error and then you can click on manage, or you can make a right click and then go to manage and then go to files option and then you will see verify and repair. Click on yes and let the verification complete. Once the repair is 100% done, you will see the play option once again and then you can launch the game. Next step is to create desktop shortcut and launch the game as an administrator using the desktop shortcut. Now for this, click on the three dots, manage, and then click on create desktop shortcut and then you can go to desktop. You will see your game exe file over here, game shortcut. Make a right click and then you can click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow and then try to check. Still you are receiving the error. In that case, the next step is to repair or reset the game. To repair or reset the game, you can open Windows settings, go to apps and then go to install apps and then over here search the game. So whichever game is giving you the error, you can select the game in the list, find the game in the list and then you can click on these three dots and then click on advanced option, and first of all click on terminate and then click on repair and once the repair is done, launch the game. If that does not work, reset, and after the reset, close Xbox app and then relaunch Xbox app, and then you can find the game. You can select the game and then you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working, install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here you can see Visual Studio files. You have to download this x86 and run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, hit install. Download this x64 file as well and then run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install and let the installation complete. Once this is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update the BIOS. So go to your system manufacturer website, select your model number and then update the BIOS. In case of laptop, make sure battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter is connected to the computer when you update the system BIOS. Next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache files. Now for this, open File Explorer in computer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData folder. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items and then open AppData folder. Open the local folder. Now open the packages folder, find packages, open the packages folder and then scroll down and then find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store _ some alphanumeric character. Open this folder and over here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click and then click on delete. Once this is deleted, now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working, install all updates in Microsoft Store. Now for this, go to Store. At the bottom left here you can see download option. Click on download and then over here you will see check for update option. Click on check for update. If you see update all option, update everything. Once everything is updated, now you can launch the game. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So go to Windows Update or Update in Security and then click on check for update and then you will see check for update option. So click on check for update and once the update is installed, then you have to restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can launch the game and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run WSReset command. So type in WSReset in Windows search box and then click on WSReset. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can check. Next step is to repair or reset Xbox app in store. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app, click on app settings. First of all, you have to click on terminate option over here and now click on repair, and after the repair, relaunch Xbox app and then check. If that does not work, you can reset Xbox app, and after the reset, you can launch Xbox app once again and then you can check. Still not working, you do the same thing with Store. So type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, app settings, again terminate first, then click on repair, and once the repair is done, you can check. If that does not work, click on reset. After the reset, you can open Store and then you have to relaunch Xbox app and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then run as administrator. Make sure that you open PowerShell as an administrator only and then click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see any kind of errors like this in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. This will install all the Windows default apps, and once this is done, once this is complete, you will see everything red. You can close this, relaunch Xbox app and then you can check. Next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. Now for this you can go to if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. Select your graphic card and then select your operating system. Then click on find. And then on this page at the very top, you will see the latest graphic card driver. Whichever is the latest, you can click on view and then you can click on install. After the once the download is complete, you can run this exe file and you can go for installation. Make sure that you select custom option and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. After the clean installation, restart your computer and then check. AMD card users, again select your graphic card on this website and then update your graphic card driver. Next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphic settings in Windows search box, click on graphic settings, click on add Microsoft Store app. You will find the game in the list. So whichever game is giving you the error, select that game, and once the game is added, you can select for GPU preference, you can select high performance over here, and then you can launch the game. Next step is to start all these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now first of all find IP helper. You will see IP helper over here. Make a double click on IP helper, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Xbox services. At the bottom you will see here 4 Xbox services. Make a double click on each Xbox services, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Set this to automatic, then hit apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Again automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find gaming services, make sure gaming services are running. If not running, you can make a right click, and then if you see start highlighted, click on start or restart. Again make a right click, click on start or restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. Now for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run this as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Once done, copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store. You will see get option or install option to install gaming services. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Once gaming services is installed, you have to relaunch Xbox app. So once this is installed 100%, then you can quit Xbox app, and then you have to relaunch Xbox app, and then you have to check. So right now it's updating gaming services, so I have to relaunch Xbox app, and now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to install Xbox identity provider. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, and over here you will see download option. Click on download, open Microsoft Store, and if it is not installed, you will see install option or get option or update option. So you can do that. In my case, it is already installed. Now next step is to unplug all the external devices which you are not using. So if you have any kind of USB adapter connected, disconnect it. Unplug HOTAs, wheel, pedals, USB adapter. If you have extra controller connected to the computer, disconnect it. Disconnect multiple monitor. Try launching the game on single monitor. If you have any third-party application or services running, close it. Close all the overlay application. Like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings, turn off overlay. If you have NVIDIA app running, go to NVIDIA app settings and turn off NVIDIA overlay. Do not overclock. Set the overclocking to default. Close all the overclocking application like MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner. And then if you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So if nothing is working, you can uninstall the game and then you can reinstall the game to different drive. For this, you can go to Xbox app. First of all, uninstall the game. You will see the uninstall option, uninstall it, and then click on your profile icon on Xbox app, go to settings, go to install options. Over here, if you have any other drive, you can select a different drive and then try to install it. And then check. If the game is already installing to different drive, you can try to install the game to C drive and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.